Now web page. A web page can be defined as one area of the World Wide Web. Web page is some area of World Wide Web. It can compare to a page in a book. If you think the World Wide Web is a book, web page is a page of this book. It is the basic unit of every website or document on the web. Web page is a basic unit of every website. A web page is usually combination of text and graphics. It is also combination of text and graphics. Then home page. Home means main ghar, your house. It is the main page of a web page. The term home page is used to two contexts: home page of the browser and home page of the website. Home page also used in two contexts, one in browser and one in website. While referring to the home page of the browser, if we refer the home page of browser, it is the first web page that your browser opens when you type URL of the website. When you type URL in the browser, the first page is web page. Clicking the home page icon on your browser screen will take you to the specific first page you have set as your browser home page. When you click the home page icons of the browser, then you get the specific first page of the browser as browser's home page. Home page of a website refers to main web page from a collection of web pages of that website. Home page of a website refers home page of a website is a collection of web pages in the website. In each site, often you will see home page. Everywhere, any website, you get home page as a choice on a menu bar. You get home page in every website on menu bar. Clicking on the word home on a web page will take you to the home or main page that particular website. When you click the home page, then you get the particular web page. Hypertext Mark Language, HTML. You must remember the short form and extended form of. Short form is HTML, extended form is Hypertext Mark of Language. HTML is language used to write web pages. This is the type of language. With this language we can write anything on web page. A browser takes the HTML code and translates it into content you see on the screen. Browser takes it as HTML code and then translates into the contents what we see on the screen. You must have observed that your cursor turns into pointing finger over some images. When you go to a page, you must see our pump like cursor and finger is pointing to the images. This indicates a link to additional information and it can be linked to additional page. It means that it's a additional linkage to additional information and it have additional information and it can link with other to additional web pages, emails, news groups, audio, video to any number of other exiting fields. In this web page you get these also additional web pages like emails, news groups, audio, video, or any number of other exciting files. Now you know about web browser. We have got web browser. Web browser refers to the software applications. Web browser is a software application that allows us to access the web. It is a software which accesses the web. Some of the commonly used web browser are Netscape Navigator, Microsoft Internet Explorer. These are web browser, Google Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox. Web browsing or web surfing means navigating through pages of information on the web. Web browsing or web surfing means navigating to see the pages of information on the web while developing a site. When we develop a website, it is important to make it compatible to as many browsers as possible. When you make a website, then it is very important to make it compatible and to as many browsers as possible. Let us learn more about some of the major browsers. We are going to know about some major browsers. There is first Internet Explorer, IE. Internet Explorer is a product from the software company Microsoft. There is some many browser in our, but we see some. We are going to discuss some browser. That is first Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer is the browser which made by Microsoft. It is introduced in 1995 along with Windows 95. When Microsoft introduced Windows 95, then they also introduced this Internet Explorer. It suppressed Netscape's popularly in 1998. It also suppressed the Netscape. We see the here Netscape, this Netscape in popularity in, and it got popularity in 1998. There is another web browser. It is Google Chrome. Everyone say you go to Google and search. It is also the Google Chrome is also a web browser. This web browser is developed by Google and beta version was first released on 2nd September 2008. This Google Chrome first released on 2nd September 2008 for Microsoft Windows. It is used for Microsoft Windows. Chrome is one of the most popular web browser with a global share of more than 50%. This Google Chrome, the web browser, is commonly used in the whole world. Most of 50% peoples or organization use this browser. Then there is another Mozilla Firefox. Firefox is a new browser developed by Mozilla. It was released in 2004 and is the second most popular browser. First popular web browser is Google Chrome, then Mozilla Firefox. Then another web browser is Safari. Safari is web browser developed by Apple and included Mac OS X. It was first released as a public beta on January 2003. This Safari is introduced in 2003. It is made by Apple. It is included in what? Mac OS X. Mac OS means Operation System X. It was first introduced in January 2008. Safari provides good support to latest technologies like XHTML, CSS. Then we come to know about Opera. Opera Mini, Opera is also another web browser. Opera is smaller and faster than most of other browsers. It is smaller and also faster. It is mainly used in mobile. Yet it is full featured. It is fast, user friendly with good keyboard interface, multiple Windows features, zoom functions, and more. It is ideal for newcomers to the internet. This Opera is user friendly to the newcomer of the internet. School children like you, the differently abled persons, and as front end of CD-ROMs and kiosks. Navigation on the web. You already know the navigation on the net is possible only through a browser. We can navigate through browser. We understand this, then we can browse anything through navigation. The browser Windows has some important components that assist you in navigation through the web. Some of these components are discussed below. In computer, we know some program component, then menu bar, start button, like this. Some important components also assist you to navigate through the web. First is menu bar. The menu bar is located at the top of the screen and can accessed during the mouse. The menu bar is located in the top of the screen bar. When you hold down the mouse button over an item in main menu, a submenu is pulled down and has verified the options. It's like we the first starting of the computer, we do like this. Actions that are in black can be performed, while actions that cannot be performed are lightened or shown in grey. The submenus provide keyboard shortcuts. It is also keyboard shortcuts. You know keyboard shortcuts, Control S, Control key, like this. It is also used through keyboard shortcuts, allowing you to implement the function faster than using the mouse. If you use keyboard, it is in fast use keyboard, then we can operate in faster mode. Toolbar. You know toolbar? The toolbar is located at the top of the browser. Toolbar is a browser. It contains navigation buttons for the web. Basic function of these buttons are given below. Home opens, returns to the starting page. Back takes you to the previous page. Forward takes you to the next page. Print current page. Stop loading page. Reload, refresh or redisplays current page. Search, access search engine. Location bar. The location bar below the toolbar is box labeled location. Go to or address. You can type in site's address. When this location bar, you type the site address and press the return or enter key. Then open this site status bar. The status bar is located at the very bottom of the browser window. It is located in the browser windows down to very bottom. You can watch the progress of web page download determines in the host computer has been connected and text the image is being downloaded. You can understand that how your download is going on. slider and arrows. Scrolling is an easy way to navigate through web page. Scrolling through your mouse scroll button. You can scroll up and scroll down and side to side using either the horizontal or vertical on-screen scroll bars. The horizontal scroll bars are present in the bottom, the horizontal scroll bar, vertical scroll bar. You can use these scroll bars to move the screen. Vertical bar are present in the right, vertical scroll bar is right side and horizontal scroll bar is the bottom of the browser. To scroll using the on-screen scroll bars, simply position your cursor on the slider and scroll bar, hold the mouse button down and drag the slider up or down over the vertical scroll bar or side to side on the horizontal scroll bar. If you when we here you show you the computer, then we can understand this in practically. You can position your cursor over the arrows at the top and bottom of the vertical scroll bar, left and right scroll bar of the horizontal scroll bar to move one line at a time. It's like as you go to the first word processor chapter. There is also we discuss about the scroll bars. Arrow keys. The keyboard was various keys to help you move the around it. Through keyboard we can also move web pages. The arrow keys on the keyboard are convenient tools for moving pages up and down. In keyboard you can see the bottom is arrow. Through this key we can moving the page up, down, left, right. These keys move the page more slowly, one line at a time. Two of the most commonly used keys are the page up and